high-performance engineering for a luxury backyard. The Dallas Foundation, built tough, designed in Texas, commercial DNA. Industrial grade 304. Cheap grills use 430 stainless steel. It looks shiny today, but rusts after one winter. Coyote uses heavy gauge 304 stainless for the entire body, hood, and grates. It's basically chromium and nickel content makes it practically immune to the elements, ensuring that lifespan measured in decades, not just seasons. Continuous welding. Instead of using cheap hop rivets that rattle and fail, Coyote hand welds every seam. The hood is double walled to act like a thermos. Traps heat inside. The result is the grill feels like a safe and not a soda can. Solid construction leads to consistent cooking and temperatures. The iPhone strategy. So the classes are gonna be C, CL, and the SL series. Coyote organized their gas lineup like iPhones. Every model is high performance, but as you move up, you unlock more pro power and modular features. So the C series is gonna be like your base iPhone from 28 inches or to 34. Reliable 15K BTU burners. Everything you need, no overcomplication, the no nonsense choice. Now, as we kind of move up to the CL series, this is like the Pro, the iPhone Pro. It comes in 36 or 42. It comes with 20K BTU infinity burners. Now, this is where it's different from the actual C series. You're gonna have backlit knobs, which is cool for like outside. And then auto gas shutoff for serious safety and night grilling. The SL series, so now this is like the Pro Max. This is gonna have everything. It comes in 30, 36, or 42. Adds a sear burner, rotisserie, and ceramic briquettes. Modular slot for pizza stones or woks, the dream centerpiece. Final pitch. Coyote feels like a safe, not just a soda can. Thank you.